Senator Josh Hawley, AMO, slammed the new charges brought against former President Trump in the case over his handling of classified documents Thursday, arguing that we cannot allow this to stand. "It's so brazen right now, what they're doing," Hawley said on Fox News. "It is really a subversion of the rule of law. I mean, they're taking the rule of law, turning it on its head, and we cannot allow this to stand. The American people are not gonna be safe," he added. "Our system of government is not gonna be safe if this is gonna be the new standard." The Department of Justice, DOJ, filed a superseding indictment Thursday evening, accusing the former president of attempting to delete surveillance footage at his Mar-a-Lago property. It also included an additional Espionage Act charge based on a military document that Trump boasted of having in a 2021 meeting.